Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I hope you all are having a good Sunday. Um, this is, we went to Hobby Lobby yesterday and we went out to eat. And since they're having their 50% off Christmas stuff, um, we went there. But honestly, I was still gravitating towards fall because I just love fall. So I ended up, and they're still having 50% off their fall. I got a couple more of these pit berries. So they were $2 each, the pit berry garlands. And then this jute string in orange, which was $1.50. And then I got this ribbon. This wasn't on sale. This was $4.99. I got two in this silver and then two in the copper. They were $4.99 each. And I almost didn't show those because I'm going to be doing something with those. And then this cool metal ribbon. It wasn't on sale either. It was $4.99. But my husband was like, "What do you want for your birthday?" Because my birthday's coming up. And I was like, craft stuff. And then I got these weren't on sale either. Little decorative tacks, copper looking, and it's 48 piece. And then the metal looking, and they were $2.99 each. I'm really disappointed in their paint. I wanted some crimson red. They really don't have a whole lot of paint. So I got this folk art, and I tried to find it in a larger folk art Christmas red. I have a red, a large thing of red. I've never been able to get the crimson red. And then the olive green folk art matte, because I like matte. They had a lot of that wasn't matte. But then I got some more burlap. This was on sale, so $3.50. I don't know how much their paint was. I don't know if it tells. But again, I hear my husband was like, "I thought you was wanting to get Christmas stuff." And I'm like, but honestly, just from being there last week when I had to go to the doctor, and you couldn't even get around in that store because they were putting all this Christmas stuff out. You still couldn't get to a lot of stuff. So it was very frustrating. But I got these. You couldn't hardly get to picks. There were so many things you couldn't get to. And I'm like, well, y'all are having 50% off sale, and you still haven't got this picked up or put up. So I got these picks. I got 4 of them. So they were $3. So half off, that would be $1.50 for each of those. I thought those were pretty. And then I use a lot of this on the Christmas time. I really like it. It's a little mini garland, and it was $4.99, so $2.50. And there's quite a bit on here. There's 30 feet, and it's really good quality. I'm froze. It's really good quality. You can make little mini wreaths with this. You can make like garlands for anything little that you do. There's just so much you can do with these. Okay, I'll stop talking about those. But like I said, you could not get to all the things because I looked online, and so many of the things that I wanted, I would have had to have had one of those things you drive around and what do they call, forklift, or to move boxes out of the way. These little picks were 99 cents, so 50 cents each. seemed like everything I wanted, I couldn't get to. I got more of the little mini logs, or what you all are using for pumpkin stems. And I don't know if they were on sale or not. $4.99. They had some larger ones that I would have liked to have had. But then I'm like, those would probably be too big for my projects. And then these are little mini cone and berry picks. So they were half off. This was something, I mean, I had to slide my arm in because they just had this whole thing. Everything was blocked off. So $2.50, and there's 10 pieces. And then these bells, they were 12, so $6 for 12 of these rustic bells. And then this was something else I had to reach in and grab. So $1.50. Wait, $3. Yeah, $1.50. There's 6 of them. It says a very merry holly jolly Christmas, little wood ornaments. Now this, I'm mixed about because I wanted some stencils, some vinyl stencils, and they just don't have a whole lot. So I got this. It's a value pack, 46 designs. It shows all the different designs there. But it's paper. I don't know. I guess I'll just have to see. But it's got like Happy Holidays with the Christmas trees. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Some more Christmas. Happy New Year, which I don't do anything for New Year's as far as... I don't do Valentine's, and then there's a snowman. Easter, 4th of July. I usually don't do any crafts for 4th of July. And then here's the fall ones with Halloween or fall. So I will try those. And then I got a grapevine wreath. You all have seen grapevine wreath. I don't even know how big this one is. I don't know where the thing is. Oh, and these. I love these. I thought they were so pretty. I think my camera's gonna go. I broke my tripod the other day. I fell backwards and I got tripped up in the legs of this tripod. And fell backwards in my chair because I missed the chair. And yeah, and then the tripod came tumbling down. But my husband has hot glued it. But I'm ordering a flexible one that I can put on a shelf and it come back. We got a longer cord for the webcam. I'm doing this with... Anyway, there's a shelf up there and we're hoping it'll... Okay. So these, I think, are adorable, and they were $2.99, so $1.50 each, and I got 1, 2, probably 4. And then these, I love these. They're natural brush. And see, they're a mess. I mean, they'll make a mess, but I don't know how many's in here. I don't tell, but these were $2.50 on sale. And then I was trying to get to a larger one of these, and I couldn't. And then some of the styrofoam ones, couldn't get to them. These are a 6-piece of the mini cone trees, so they were $2.50 on sale. So I think that's it. But I have the next video is still going to be fall, and I'm going to start working on it. Still having major upload issues. I wish we would get fiber optics. Is that what it's called? Something. They're getting it here now down at the lake, and when we lived at the lake, we had to have satellite. We moved just in time for my son to be able to do online school due to COVID, because we had HughesNet, which is satellite internet down there, but then we moved, and luckily, and he was able to do his online school and stuff. But now they're getting fiber optics down there, and we still have the best of what we can get here, but uploading is a nightmare. So I'm going to start working on my video, and I just wanted to show you all this. So this is basically like, I just wanted stuff for my birthday from crafting stuff. It's usually either that or a facial, or I want funny t-shirts or something like that. So anyway, I'm gonna start working on my video. I'll get this one uploaded of this little haul, and you all have a great rest of your weekend, and my video will be up Wednesday. Thank you.